Ona thutha wa arutani gukorwo makiruta mbeca o mweri kuri kambuni ya KNUT cia kumateithĩrĩria kwamũkĩra urigitani utari marĩhi, matikoretwo makiamũkĩra utungata mukinyaniru. Akiaria kaunti-inĩ ya Nakuru, mwandĩki wa kiama kia arutani gicigo-ini kia Nyanza Tobias Ogala ni ugĩte ni akoretwo akiamũkĩra mateta kuma kuri arutani ati kambuni iyo ikoretwo ikihana utungata utari mukinyaniru kuri arutani acio.
Teachers cannot be treated differently from the other workers in Kenya. We know that civil servants are promoted based on workshop, a 2-week workshop. But teachers on attaining degrees, on attaining masters, on PhD, they are not promoted.
Oho Ogala ni oritie kamiti ya wandikani wa arutani TSC igirire na iteithĩrĩrie arutani kunina thogothogo eno, kwaga ugo ni megũkorwo makigomera kuruta kigina kingi kuri kambuni iyo.
If TSC doesn't do that, then we are going to demand that teachers be given back their medical allowance.
The county came in the year.
Girifotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Wangu wa Kanyi.